Riga Business School at Riga Technical University was the first higher education institution in the Baltics to offer programs in English. Now the school has solid reputation and almost 1,000 graduates, majority of whom occupy leading managerial positions both in Latvia and abroad. The bachelor program at Riga Business School has been developed in collaboration with one of the leading business schools in Europe, Norwegian Business School.
RBS Bachelor of Business Administration in collaboration with BI Norwegian Business School will give you a solid degree in international business with a distinct Scandinavian approach. It will provide an up-to-date knowledge on how to build socially responsible and sustainable business organizations of the 21st century. The program, from an international perspective, will cover economics, marketing, finance, operations, law, and other management subject areas. Welcome to the international world of business.
You don't come to Riga Business School just for 3 years. It's for life. Our fantastic students, our international faculty, our alumni network, and our events will bring you here and will keep you here. You will find in RBS a place of innovation, of friendship, and of intellectual curiosity. It is a fabulous place to study. We look forward to seeing you as part of our community, the community of RBS.